dreams have to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitment deeper, and our efforts greater. This is my dream for Reliance and for India. Taking inspiration from the thoughts of the visionary Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance is once again on its way to transforming India by creating a resplendent digital India, Jio Bharat. It's about the journey of fiber to fiber. It began with the yarn trading business, went on to setting up a mega manufacturing fiber plant, and became the world's largest producer of polyester. It moved on to petrochemicals and commissioned the world's largest grassroots refinery. Subsequently, Reliance entered into the telecom domain and revolutionized voice communication in India by deploying a detailed mobile infrastructure supported by an extensive optical fiber network. Thus, calls became cheaper than a postcard, which was the founder chairman's dream. Later, forayed into the retail business and became the largest retail chain in India by revenue.
I now turn to Reliance Jio, one of the largest transformational greenfield digital initiatives anywhere in the world.
Reliance Jio is deploying a state-of-the-art fourth-generation telecom infrastructure to cater to the seventh largest country in the world with a population of around 1.3 billion. India is now heading towards the internet revolution, defining the basic necessities of the new generation. Roti, kapda, makan, mobile and internet.
Following our heritage and DNA of conquering many challenges, at Jio, which is building the largest LTE network in the world. And small cells play a very vital part of our network architecture. Welcome to Jio. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk to you today and share with you our journey in the path to digitize India. At Jio, we are hard at work building one of the largest heterogeneous networks in the world. Our network is greenfield. We're starting from the ground up, laying fiber, deploying Wi-Fi access point. We believe in small cell in a very large way, and we're investing very heavily in both indoor and outdoor small cells and macro infrastructure that supports 2300, 1800, and 850 megahertz.
The nerve center of Reliance Jio is located in Mumbai, India. Round-the-clock network operations center and data centers are built around world-class infrastructure, best-in-class processes, systems and tools. A group of SMEs ensure each and every network element and process is managed within a stringent set of SLAs. Its competency development environment provides uniform dissemination of knowledge throughout. In fact, the small cells would play a significant role in substantiating blanket 4G network availability with superior signal strength in both indoor as well as outdoor environments. It would bring in an invincible internet connectivity which would support in developing smart cities, villages, institutions, airports, railways, roadways and many more, creating a smarter India. The Reliance Jio network coverage will cater to the dense urban, semi-urban and rural India, which would play a significant role in bridging the rural and urban divide.
To manage a very complex network rollout, we had to think very carefully about our processes and process optimization. Like any other network operator, we have a very complex set of departments and organization. And we had to think very carefully about how we stitch and glue various processes and our workflow and automation. So from day zero, we decided to do something which is deployment and automation of the entire workflow management and linking up our processes and our organization. I'm really happy about the progress that your team have been making on our big data platform. Where do we stand with our data source integration, our data integrity model, our workflow automation?
We have done the workflow automation for each of the data sources. All the data which comes in and all the approval processes and the decision making are all done in the system, and data flows through from the receiving end to the final conclusions.
Can you just give me a context to the platform you're developing and some of the algorithms that are enabling you to achieve this task?
We are working on all the new set of algorithms that are actually coming in last 10 years to make this process completely automatic.
I'm very intrigued about this polygon definition. Do you have any examples you could share with me to see how these polygons look like?
Yes, actually, I have it here. We can identify all the coverage holes and update them daily.
Fantastic, fantastic. Hey, good evening, guys. Can you share with me a little bit more about the vision of the platform, progress, and when we can see this actually in reality?
Our Unison platform, like what you said, caters to the very dense HETnet deployment that we have in the Reliance Jio network, and in a very seamless way. And Tom, would you like to talk us through the SON algorithms and the automation capabilities that we have?
Sure. We're developing a wide variety of self-organizing network algorithms in order to minimize the operational expense of deploying and configuring this huge network.
So Andy, this is very exciting about the platform you guys are working on, but obviously like any other platform, one of my biggest concerns is about architecture, scalability, being able to handle a network that potentially will have over 200 million subscribers. This massive infrastructure we're building, can you give me some idea towards the architecture of the platform and your confidence level that it will be able to scale and handle the latency requirements?
Sure. As we're rolling out from our pre-production environment into the production environment, we're able to deploy with a set number of servers, and we've chosen an Akka-based actor system architecture that allows us to seamlessly integrate in servers as the network growth occurs.
With its ease of rollout, minimal power consumption, and aesthetics of deployment, this technology would support the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi's vision of Swachh Bharat.
क्या देश के लिए हम कुछ सोच सकते हैं? और इसलिए हमारा सपना है डिजिटल इंडिया, एक गरीब के लिए है। अगर ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्टिविटी से हिंदुस्तान के गांव जुड़ते हैं और गांव के आखिरी छोर की स्कूल में अगर हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन दे सकते हैं, आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि हमारे उन गांव के बच्चों को कितनी अच्छी शिक्षा मिलेगी।
Jio Bharat would bring in digital freedom to every Indian and thereby usher in a newer India, a digital India.